guys, welcome to our channel Learning Life. It's our first video on YouTube. On this part of video, we will be dealing with basic chemistry. So let's get started. First, what is chemistry? A branch of science that involves the study of composition, structure and properties of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. As you all know, matter has three types, basic three types that are solid, liquid and gas, and another two types are plasma and VEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. In simple words, chemistry deals with the present matter present and what it is composed of. Chemistry is derived from the Egyptian word chema that means transmutation of earth. Transmutation means the action of changing or the state of being changed into another form. Now we will move on to what are chemical substances. A chemical substance is a form of matter having a constant chemical composition and characteristic properties. For example, pure water is a chemical substance. As you observe pure water, that is H2O, it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. It has constant composition and characteristic properties. Moving on, we should know how these chemical substances are formed. Anything on the earth or any substance or any matter are formed by very basic components called as atoms. Atom is the smallest part of every matter. This means that every matter present in the world is made of very small, indivisible, that means that cannot be further divided, that particles are known as atom. These atoms are further made up of three particles that are subatomic particles, electrons, protons and neutrons. These atoms were first observed by the English chemist, physicist and meteorologist John Dalton. And he also stated the atomic theory. In further part, we will study these atomic theory and what it states. Next, moving on, we will know what is the structure of an atom. There were many chemists who derived the structure of an atom, but lastly, Niels Bohr model of atom was accepted. He was a Danish physicist. In the year 1930, this structure of atom was accepted by the people. The Niels Bohr model of an atom consists of the circular path which contains electrons around them. That circular paths are known as orbits or shells. In this model of atom, there is a center which contains nucleus. In that nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. In the nucleus, the total mass of an atom is present. Now we shall study one by one what are electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles which revolves around the orbits of an atom. As you studied earlier, orbits are the circular path where the electrons revolve. They are smaller than that of the nucleus. Of course, they would be smaller than the nucleus as the mass of atom is present in the nucleus. They were first observed by the chemist J.J. Thomson. Electrons are an important factor for the bonding of individual atoms together. These were some properties and something about electrons. Next, we should move on to protons. These are positively charged subatomic particles which are present in the nucleus of an atom. Their main function is to attract electrons and keep them in the orbits around the nucleus. They were first observed by Goldstein. Goldstein only stated that there were another particles with neutrons in the nucleus, but further Rutherford stated that they were positively charged protons. In an atom, the number of protons is always equal to number of electrons. Now moving on to neutrons. A neutron is a subatomic particle with no net electrostatic charge which are present in the nucleus of an atom alongside with protons. The mass of neutrons are nearly equal to the proton. The main function is to attract each other and to keep the nucleus intact. They were first discovered by James Chadwick. These were the properties and some information about proton, neutrons and electrons. Now we shall move to the what is the charge and what is the mass of these proton, neutrons and electrons in an atom. particle proton, the charge, as you know, it is positive, so plus 1. The mass in grams is 1.6727 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, and in atomic units, atomic mass unit, it is 1.007316. Neutron. Neutron has no net charge, so its charge is 0, and its mass in gram is 1.6750 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, and its atomic mass unit is 1.008701, which is nearly equal to the mass of proton. Now electron. As you know, electron is negatively charged, so its charge is minus 1, and its mass in gram is 9.100 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram, and its mass in atomic mass unit is 0.000549.
Hope you all guys understood it well. Make sure to like, share and comment and subscribe the channel and click that notification bell for more content like this. Thank you for watching our video. See you all again in the next part.